Hello there. Welcome to the latest episode of activeCollab Recaps. In November, we were busy with lots of behind-the-scenes projects. We also updated projects report and clients and addresses. Let us walk you through. Projects report. Alongside a wide range of filtering and grouping options, you can now also include budgets, estimated time, and track time in your project report. With key project information in one place, it's easier to understand progress and performance, make smarter decisions, and maintain transparency with your clients and other stakeholders. Clients and addresses. All client information now lives in their profiles under People. From projects, contacts, to invoices and estimates, everything's stored there for an easier overview and analysis. Clients you haven't done business with in the past 365 days will now appear in Archive. That's it for November. Enjoy the holiday season. We'll see you back next month with the updates we're wrapping up 2025 with.